Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO T1 Pro and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list, find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it, and then let's tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Now we have to tap on add picture, and as you can see, our device will transfer us to this section where we can choose the picture. We've got this section device photos, we've got the gallery and the camera, and the illustrations, which are kind of pre-installed here, and you can pick some really cute options. However, I'll pick something from the device photos, especially from the gallery, because after tapping on the camera, your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose, but if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her immediately, if not, simply enter the gallery. Now we have to find the photo we'd like to use and tap on it. So let me pick this bacteria one. And as you can see from this step, we can change the position of the photo. We can zoom it in or out also. And thanks to this, we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this highlighted area is responsible for it. So if you're ready, just tap on choose here. As you can see, it will be applied to this circle. You can also change it whenever you want or remove it if you don't like it. However, if you like it, just tap on save in the right upper corner. And as you can see, the photo will be immediately applied to the contact, and this is how it will look like. Unfortunately, it did not refresh for some reason, so we've got the previous photo, but no worries. Basically, you will be able to see this photo on the contact list. Let me try to turn it off and check it again. And as you can see, it refreshed. So we've got the photo. You can also see it, for example, during all incoming calls from that number or texting with it. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.